Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1301A at ibis PJCC. That is the main 1301 sign with the doorbell below. And inside it is split into 1301B and 1301A. I'm only staying in this room, so that's the sign. This is the master light switch. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. Right here, we have the bathroom. The toilet with the bath mat, toilet rolls, towels above. Here we have a couple of glasses, all the bathroom amenities, the spray, storage below, bin. The sink is right there with a mirror and lights. Hello. Hair dryer. And here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. To the left of the shower head, we have an all-in-one bottle, so that's the body wash, shampoo, face wash and all that. Okay, so slightly opposite the bathroom is a mirror and light. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the climate control panel. So to insert the key card for the room's power together with the light switches for the room. And there's a power outlet down there. On the left bedside table, we have a box of tissues, a power outlet together with a USB-A port, light switch, and here we have the bed itself. It is actually quite a comfortable bed, despite the mattress being quite thin. But opposite the bed, we have a ledge with the TV remote right there. There's a flat screen Samsung TV right above. And further on, the bin is down there with an open plan wardrobe. We have hangers right above. And here we have a bottle, an empty bottle, which you can fill up with water from the water dispenser in the hallway. We have a kettle right there, mugs, all the tea and coffee making stuff. And right here we have the in-room safe, and below is an empty fridge, which you can store your own items in there. Here we have a chair with a table, a menu from the hotel's restaurant. We have a couple of power outlets down there, and the one on the right has a USB-A port as well. There we have a place to put luggage with a bit of storage below, in-room telephone. There's a clock behind. And here we have more light switches with another power outlet that is currently used for the clock, and a USB-A port as well. Okay, as for the view, we have the toll plaza down there, the highway that is in front of the hotel. You can see all the surrounding areas, buildings and whatnot. And down below we have the road that is in front of the hotel with parking. You can see a bit of the hotel swimming pool below as well. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1301A at ibis PJCC. Thanks for watching and goodbye.